conductor. We are car 4. All the way down.
All aboard! This is your conductor speaking. Welcome aboard the Polar Express. Seems that you have arrived in the perfect month on the perfect day for the perfect moment to be aboard this train. For the journey you are about to take was designed especially for you to learn something. As you boarded the Polar Express today, your golden ticket was stamped with something special that was chosen just for you. By the end of your journey, it will mean something to you, something you must carry with you after the journey is complete. See, one thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on.
We're getting started. Our adventure is beginning. Sarah, we're on the Polar Express.
Get your tickets ready.
Tickets, please. Checking all the tickets. Tickets high in the air, please. Check that.
Welcome aboard.
Blazes is that on the track? Steamer! Clear those caribou off the track!
Okay, everyone, sing with us. Clear those caribou off the track.
Clear those
caribou off the
all
track.
ahead! Slow!
Good job.
All right.
Welcome aboard, young man. We have been expecting you.
You have?
Is this you?
Yes.
Well then, good thing you decided to climb aboard. Ticket, please.
I'm not sure I have a ticket.
Try your pocket.
There's nothing in this pocket. There's a hole in it.
Try your other pocket. Thank you, sir.
This stamp, it looks like a letter. What does it mean?
Nothing I need to know. Take your seat, young man.
Hello there, everyone. How many of you can see me, eh? Raise your hand if you can see me. Maybe some of you can, some of you can't. But one thing is for sure. Seeing is believing, am I right?
Yeah.
Sure I am. Seeing is believing. But sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see. Eh? No, where's my manners? For those of you who can see me, allows me to introduce myself. I am the proud owner of this train. It's like I'm the king of this train. The king of the Polar Express. So I hop aboard this rattler anytime I feels like it. And I'd like to meet the Polex passengers because I'm very curious to see those golden tickets of yours, if you don't mind. For those of you that has golden ticket, hold them up for me, will you? High in the air. Now I'd like to take a look at those tickets of yours, if you don't mind. Hold those tickets high in the air for me. High in the air. Oh, ain't that a beautiful sight. All right, let me get a closer look now. We've got some forgery tickets coming in this year, and you look suspicious, eh? Oh, let me see about this. Oh, nope. This checks out. This is an official, authentic, genuine ticket to ride. Keep that in a safe place. Let's see.
Your attention, please. Are there any Polar Express passengers in need of refreshment? I thought so. Anyone for hot chocolate?
Steam locomotive built in 1931 at the Baldwin Locomotive Works. It weighs 456,000 pounds and has one unpowered leading axle, followed by 4 powered and coupled driving axles, and 2 trailing axles that are mounted in a bogie.
Chris is such a know-it-all, and he's right. It is all those things, but
You're probably wondering what a bogie is. It's a framework for carrying wheels. This train has 14 bogies.
this train is also a magic train.
Oh yeah, it's also a magic train.
Boarding magic train, a lot of magical things can happen.
Like you can have hot chocolate and snickerdoodles, my favorite cookie. Did you know the snickerdoodle originated from Germany a long time ago and was originally called snickerdoodle?
So keep your eyes and ears open because you never know what can happen today on the Polar Express.
Also known as the magic train.
Or what special people you might meet.
Now you're talking about me.
And me.
Or what you can learn.
Even us? Because we already know a lot of things.
Even you.
Surprisingly, there is one thing I don't know. Does anyone have something stamped on their ticket?
Everyone has something stamped on their ticket that was chosen just for them.
Mine says LE, and I have no idea what LE stands for.
By the end of our journey, everyone should know what their stamp means.
On the magic train.
Speaking of magic, can anyone tell me the name of the magical outpost far, far away at the North Pole?
I know! Santa!
That's right, Santa.
And who can tell me what Santa says?
Ho, ho, ho.
That's right, ho, ho, ho!
Hey everybody, do you know why Santa has 3 gardens?
I know, so he can ho, ho, ho!
And now everyone on the count of 3, we want to hear you say ho, ho, ho as loud and as funny as you can. Ready?
1, 2, 3!
Say, they were some good impressions, but let me ask all of you something. What exactly is your persuasion on the big man since you brought him up? You all sounded like him, but do you really believe?
I want to believe.
Ah, yes, you. Would you mind repeating that?
I said I want to believe, but
But it's all a bunch of humbug. About indigestion. You're a doubter. You don't want to be conned or duped. You don't want to be bamboozled, railroaded. Seeing is believing, am I right? Right. Well, remember, kid, sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see.
wait, can you tell me about my ticket?
What about
There's something stamped on it.
it? Looks like a letter to me.
What does it mean?
Nothing I need to know. Let me ask you something, kid. What do you hear?
I don't hear anything.
Let me ask all of you. Those of you who can see me, raise your hand if you can hear something. Hardly anybody hears it. Well then I'd hang on tight to that ticket if I was you. This is your crucial year.
Young man, why aren't you in your seat?
Says something for the King of the Polar Express.
I'm sorry, who?
That guy right there.
I don't see anyone.
He's right there. He's pretending
Oh.
to be Santa
Ho,
Claus.
ho, ho.
Nope, I don't see anyone and I don't hear anything. Wait, I do hear something. It's a bell. Someone is shaking a bell.
You couldn't hear his bell?
Whose bell?
Young man, I think it's best if you come with me.
Tis a magic train. Look what we found.
It's our favorite story. Can we read it?
Let's ask the passengers who would like to hear Chris and Melvin's favorite story.
Well then, we proudly present to you The Polar Express by Chris and Melvin.
On Christmas Eve, many years ago, I lay quietly in my bed. I did not rustle the sheets. I breathed slowly and silently. I was listening for a sound. A sound a friend had told me I'd never hear. The ringing bells of Santa's sleigh. There is no Santa, my friend had insisted, but I knew he was wrong. Late that night, I did hear sounds, though not of ringing bells. From outside came the sounds of hissing steam and squeaking metal. I looked through my window and saw a train. I tiptoed downstairs and out the door.
All aboard!
The conductor cried out. I ran up to him. Well, he said, are you coming? Where? I asked. Why, to the North Pole, of course, was his answer. This is the Polar Express. I took his outstretched hand and he pulled me aboard. The train was filled with other children, all in their pajamas and nightgowns. We sang Christmas carols and ate candies with nougat centers as white as snow. We drank hot cocoa as thick and rich as melted chocolate bars. There, said the conductor, is the North Pole.
The North Pole, Sarah.
It was a huge city standing alone at the top of the world, filled with factories where every Christmas toy was made. At first, we saw no elves. They are gathering at the center of the city, the conductor told us. That is where Santa will give the first gift of Christmas. Who receives the first gift? We all asked. The conductor answered,
Sarah.
He will choose one of you. Look, shouted one of the children.
Sarah, how about the bus?
elves.
To this side of the train, you will see the elves from the North Pole.
The North Pole. Hey, the North Pole. There's something on the train, on the top. Oh, what's that?
Attention please, attention Polar Express passengers. Someone very special has arrived to meet you.
Santa!
Ho, ho, ho! The first gift of Christmas.
We just met Santa!
Can you believe Santa is here on our train?
I told you this was a magic train.
And we got these beautiful bells!
Hey everyone, ring your bells for us. Let's hear them.
That sounds fantastic! Did you know there are more than 100 Christmas songs that use the word bells in them? Can you guess the most popular one?
In Bob's a Horse and Bobtail.
Jingle bells.
Jingle Bells, yes! You know Jingle Bells was written in 1857 and was originally called One Horse Open Sleigh.
Well, since we have the bells, why don't we sing the song that perfectly uses them?
That's a great idea! Jingle Bells is my favorite song!
Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. There's
and bells and rings, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh bells home tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing and sleigh bells home tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh.
Can we do another song with even more help from our passengers?
Oh, what about the one about the reindeer with the special nose? You would even say Claus! You know what I'm talking about? Yep.
Rudolph! Did you know that Rudolph didn't go to school? Yeah, that's right. He didn't go to school because he was elf-taught. Yeah?
And so, passengers of the Aurora Borealis, our journey will soon come to an end. We have so loved having you aboard the Polar Express.
And along with your beautiful bells, we hope you have something new to take with you.
We have new knowledge. We learned what the LE means. It means learn.
And although we know a lot of things, we need to learn that patience and a little bit of humility will serve us well. Mackay, Jordan,
Jackson, and Emily helped us learn that today. Thank you. Hey, show us your bell.
It's gone.
What do you mean it's gone? Where is it?
There's a hole in my pocket. I lost it. I lost the bell from Santa.
Don't worry. We'll find it. We'll help you. All of us.
Yeah.
Wait. Look.
I've heard you've lost something, young man. And Annalise found this. It has your name on it.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Annalise. There's no greater gift than the gift of friendship. Now, who's it from?
Santa.
Really?
What a beautiful bell.
There's a note.
And what does your note say?
Found this on one of the seats of this train. Better fix that hole in your pocket. Mr. C.
Santa found my bell.
One thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get off. Merry Christmas.
What exactly is your persuasion on the big man now? I'm curious. Raise your hand if you saw the big man himself today. Hands up if you saw Mr. Santa Claus himself in person with your very own eyes. Raise them up, hands up. You do, some of you adult types. Did you see him? Well then, hands up.
We saw him.
Well, looky there. So now, maybe those of you who was doubters, maybe you believe again. Maybe, just maybe, that spirit of Christmas came back to here. I understand that over, can I say, the train ride of your life, some of you have been bamboozled, or duped. You didn't want to keep the big man in here. But maybe now, today, right here, at this moment, you're rethinking this whole thing. You look in the face of these young people, and you see it, and you remember, and maybe you even remember the sound of that bell. Sure, seeing is believing, but sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see. And so, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to see, to check. Remember earlier today when you was a doubter? When you was a doubter and you couldn't hear the sound of the bell on my hat? Let's see how many of you's here now. How many of you can hear my bell? Raise your hand if you can hear my bell. Say, that's a big difference from when I rang it early on our journey. I wonder what happened. I wonder what happened. I know what happened. It's a magic carpet on a rail and it never takes a rest. Flying through the mountains and the snow. You can ride for an hour and join in the fun. By the end, all you gotta do is say yes. Because that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all you who once again believe.
Sarah, stand up.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Once again, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. A merry little Christmas now. Merry Christmas!
Yay!
Well, everyone, we've reached our journey's end. We hope you have enjoyed your time on the Polar Express.